Exploring Nature in Indonesia. Once upon a time, there was a young explorer named Budi. Budi lived in Indonesia, a land full of natural wonders. One sunny day, Budi set out on an adventure to explore the beauty of his country. He walked through lush forests, climbed tall mountains, and swam in crystal-clear rivers. Along the way, Budi marveled at the diversity of plants and animals he encountered. He saw colorful butterflies fluttering among the flowers, playful monkeys swinging from tree to tree, and majestic eagles soaring high above. As he journeyed through Indonesia's landscapes, Budi felt a deep sense of connection to nature. He realized how important it is to protect and preserve the environment for future generations to enjoy. With every step he took, Budi appreciated the beauty of Indonesia even more. He promised himself to always cherish and respect the natural world around him. And so, Budi's exploration of Indonesia's nature taught him to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the world around him.